Welcome to Kowai Post. If you've been watching the news closely, you would know Sunny Leone and Daniel Weber have adopted a baby girl called Nisha from an orphanage in Lato. Twitter is flooded with congratulatory messages from her celeb friends who are congratulating her on the new addition. But internet trolls have not spared her either. We speak to Falguni Vasamara Oza and Gina Maya Iyer about adoption, the process and the controversy. Listen in.
Hi, my name is Gina Maya Iyer. I am the mother of a beautiful 18-year-old daughter who is adopted. Ram and I, that's my husband and I, decided that we would adopt a child from smaller cities, per se Bangalore, because I am from Bangalore. The reason we chose a smaller city as opposed to a larger city or a metropolitan is because if ever she needed any information about herself that was in the files, then she would be able to access those more easily than in a metropolitan city. I was asked yesterday about this whole Sunny Leone thing. First of all, she did go through the correct process with Cara. I don't think that her celebrity status had anything to do with her getting a child or not. She did wait for 2 years, just like the rest of the other people who are with Cara right now. I would say don't be too quick to jump to conclusions, even though Cara is a very tedious and long process. At the end of the day, they want the best for the child.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Falguni Vasamara Oza. I am a professor of advertising strategy at MICA. I am also a plus size fashion blogger and I comment on social issues concerning women and children in general. If you ask me, it's a brilliant move. Brilliant move. So when you adopt a child and when you don't go for your own biological child, you are actually giving home to someone who doesn't have one. So it's a very brave step, it's a bold step, and full applause to both the people involved here. So I think it's a very positive thing. And why it's positive? Because when you do it as a celebrity, you are setting an example in the society for people to follow. So people who admire you will follow your step. So as a celebrity, you have been very responsible. You have done something remarkable. And as far as the process goes, news reports clearly tell that Sunny Leone's husband had filed for adoption before 2 years. So after 2 years of a waiting period, they have got this girl child like any other normal couple would get, and that's why I don't see anything wrong in this. In fact, this is brilliant.
I don't agree with a lot of things that Cara talks about, but in general, they're doing a good job, and I think that if you have patience, that child will come to you when the time is right. I tell a lot of my friends it's like being pregnant for 9 months and a little bit more. Do have faith in the system. Cara does work, even though it seems like a long wait. The wait is totally worth it. Like I said, things were easier for us, but it didn't mean that we didn't have to wait. We had to wait.
Best wishes to them to raise a beautiful woman out of that girl child.
Adoption is wonderful and heart babies are the best.